With blood on their hands when they're the ones funding the missiles. Look.
Okay.
Yo. My voice sound like this.
Yo. What?
Yo. Yeah, that's better. Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S made another reaction. Yeah. And today we are with Dappy, Daily Duppy. Daily Duppy. You know, we're here. So let's go. Without wasting time. Big up everybody who's been rocking with me. Big up everybody who's been rocking with the movement. You know. Let's go.
Yeah, remember the dubs when your girlfriend loved them. I really had a rap all night. I was in the tea with phase them times there. We were really chopping up brown and white. Who would've knew from the two and the blue would've done out the whole 2.5 times. It's worked no fire in the booth. We made bars in the shed. We were licking out Charlie off the side. I made that.
Hey, Dappy is about to go ham. Doo-doo. Ham. Doo-doo. Dappy is about to go
Ham. Doo-doo.
Let's go.
The anthem went platinum. How many more times do I really gotta show these youths? How many songs do I save? Goals I shoot. I should have a golden boot. I like my gal them thick and rude. Had a D so big we only like 5'8".
I love my gal them thick and road. Yeah, so from me hear that, I'm gonna start this video, right? You know, say
From me hear that, we have to stop the video.
Let's go.
How you mean on a blood clot, gal them sugar have a dizzy like I love. Thanks to recent events, all my young bros wearing masks on the face, doing up greasing the ends, putting peas in your head, man, I'm squeezing again. Dash and mash deep in the Thames from Quayback, I made Maybach music since then. I knew I'd be rich forever. And the block still out here digging up dirt on man, but it's what.
I'm just put nigga did this a while ago.
I knew I'd be rich forever. And the block still out here digging.
Okay, I get it. Me get it.
From Quayback, I made Maybach music since then. I knew I'd be rich forever. And the block still out here digging up dirt on man, but it's what. Still the same done, just without a woolly hat. Just a little more moolie in the Louis bag.
Still, him still the same done, just without the woolly hat. You see me? Him a still, cause you know him from end of days. The man say, yo, listen, it's the same me, but. Yeah.
It's what. Still the same done, just without a woolly hat. Just a little more moolie in the Louis bag. From a pitney up and batting up the playground. Then times there I started dash from the bully van. 06 started shutting down events. 07 started paying all my mum's rent. Them times you was still in a grow house. I was on the main stage really filling up tents every 25th.
The man I tell you say, yo, don't size up with me and you is not the same thing. Me I do this from your little youth. Me I do this. So don't size up. We are not in the same league. That's how Dappy are telling them, not me. And if you check him track record with end-ups, nah.
Fit for the 12, we was sitting there at MT3 like this ain't no banter. Real man up in the house when we never had shit. I come dishing out gifts like Santa. Nowadays, holidays and lobster, but I still box chips, chicken and Miranda. Bun trying to catch a bird on my chest just for defending another man like Tanganga. Box chips, chicken and Miranda. Bun trying to catch a bird on my chest just for defending another man like Tanganga.
Yeah.
You winning, or is it a lie? Every other day I see you snapping in Dubai. It's having lit out there, you're telling fibs out there. More time you're selling coochie on the slide. I made a milli with. See you snapping in Dubai. It's having lit out there, you're telling fibs out there. More time you're selling coochie on the slide.
More time you're selling coochie on the side. I was a coach on the side.
Made a milli way before I even learned to drive. I hit the milli club before I was even 25. Finna separate the little ones from the guys. When I still living off PRS from 09. My whole life I've been getting looked at like an alien, but I'm grateful, let's face it. I just switched this tube tech con, lit up the whole room. Come looking like a big blue spaceship. Told my jeweler I might want Pop's name on my chain. He said cool, engrave it. We were living in a block, I had to break free, cause I didn't want a life that's basic. Are you a real one or an imposter? You just act bad, you need to win an Oscar. You on the roadside doing up Debo on the D-Lo. You're probably singing to the Oscar.
Dappy is going off. Dappy is going off, dog. Dappy had chat some things, brother. Like,
living in a block, I had to break free cause I didn't want a life that's basic. Are you a real one or an imposter? You just act bad, you need to win an Oscar. You on the roadside doing up Debo on the D-Lo, you're probably singing to the Oscar. Hella galley in the room, make the bum bounce.
basically, that line there, the man I said, listen, when you're up on the street, you act like you're a bad man, you act like you're a bully. But when the boy them bully, you sing, brother. You sing Mariah Carey style. You sing Celine Dion style. Remy Ma, you sing me G. You informer.
You're informer.
You know bad, that's what the boss will tell you.
Secure the bag before you go and cop a bus down. Didn't pencil in, no meetings this week. You're too busy getting drawn out on Clubhouse.
Hey. He might enjoy himself. Take off that.
Yo, run me the next one.
Yo, the first one, the boss go in. The boss take off him jacket and now say, no, it's gonna be problem. Alright? Problem. Let's go.
Crush the pain away and dash it in the Rizla. Sometimes you gotta say and thank the Lord you made it this far. If you got love for me, then you my brother, you my sister. You ain't gotta ask twice, loyal, you ain't got a price. If the cake was running out, I would share my last slice. Little bro be out telling me this trapping shit be like a disease. He hungry for the money, he ain't eating for weeks. His mama be on the grind, she be stressing for peace. And he's allergic to the swine, so he's dodging police and look.
Oh, lad.
Yo!
Me love when the artists them forward and give the side of them, yeah, because you don't really see that vibe at that side of them, yeah. Dappy, Jano dog. Let's
the
go.
money he ain't eating for weeks. His mama be on the grind, she be stressing for peace. And he's allergic to the swine, so he's dodging police. And lockdown 2020 had enough man living. Trapped in a box, no more visits. I was climbing, then I fell, but then I ended up winning. I had to take a couple L's before I learned my lesson. And yo, sinning come with trauma. Tried to keep it in, but I couldn't cause a karma. Word to my mama. Can't be judging, man, just off a persona. I got the devil and the angel and they beef on my shoulder. So when you see me in the DMs going ham, it's cause I'll turn up on a hater face to face and on the gram. They hate you when you pop in.
The man I tell us, listen, when you see me in them DM, I go on, maybe do it in a real life to me, a bad bumbleclad boy. That's what the boss I tell you. Boss I tell us, listen, not because you see me do it on the gram, maybe do it in a real life, maybe pull up. What me say? What me just say a while ago? Eh?
Maybe pull up.
Yo, let's go.
But they love you in a coffin, let's give them the flowers now, not when man are in the ground. Life works in mysterious ways. One day you're here, the next you're buried away. No one knows the fate. She will never be the same, though. You gotta let the pain go. Thank God we live to fight another day. Crush the pain away and dash it in the Rizla. Sometimes you gotta say and thank the Lord you made it this far. If you got love for me, then you my brother, you my sister. You ain't gotta ask twice, loyal, you ain't got a price. If the cake was running out, I would share my last life. Yo, kids be out here on the streets and they busting their whistle. Watch the kids be overseas, stay ducking from missiles. Man in the suit.
Wow, deep. Breda.
Breda! Hear the man say what I go there? Oh, that's funny, hear the man.
Say what I go, brother. Kids will be over here blowing them whistle while the kids over there across the world, when in Palestine, that the war-ridden country them, A Dutch missile dog. Like, yo, Dappy.
So when you see me in the DMs going hammers, cause I'll turn up on a hater face to face and on the gram. They hate you when you poppin', but they love you in a coffin. Let's give them the flowers now, not when man are in the ground. Life works in mysterious ways. One day you hear the nature buried away. No one knows the fate. She will never be the same though. You gotta let the pain go. Thank God we live to fight another day. Crush the pain away and dash it in the rizla. Sometimes you gotta say and thank the Lord you made it this far. If you got love for me, then you my brother, you my sister. You ain't got ask twice, loyal, you ain't got a price. If the cake was running out, I would share my last slice.
Yeah. Watch your partner now.
Yo, kids be out here on the streets and they bustin' their whistle. Watch the kids be overseas, stay ducking from missiles. Man in a suit, be out here trying to cover their plans with blood on their hands when they're the ones funding the missiles. Look. Man in a suit, be out here trying to cover their plans with blood on their hands when they're the ones funding the missiles. Look, how am I supposed to trust when the man that's in position keeps fucking up the system? Still we live to fight another day. We crush the pain away, dash it in the rizla.
I'm surprised that YouTube don't take that one down already to blood clot. I'm surprised. The man talk too much facts, we are gonna step on a lot of people too. A lot of people not gonna like what the G has said.
Sometimes you gotta say and thank the Lord you made it this far. If you got love for me, then you my brother, you my sister. You ain't gonna ask twice, but you ain't got a price. If the cake was running out, I would share my last slice. Rock top.
Yo, if you not enjoy the one, yeah?
If you not enjoy that one, yeah?
If you not enjoy that one, yeah, guys, comment in the comment section and say, bad. This bad. Dappy can sing, Dappy can rap, Dappy can do every fucking thing. Dappy big up yourself, my G. That one is solid. You speak some facts in this, brother. Brother, why am I take so long to react to this one? Because I was busy. I was really busy doing other stuff. Well, guys, this is how I'm going to end that one. If you don't like that one, if you don't like what I go on, if you don't like the vibes over on this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, it's not too late, you know? It's not too late. You can still do that. Just make the door is always open. So, just do the right thing. You know what to do. Guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah? I'm out.